get to ride in the truck for the first time.
Do not step right here.
Don't step on there, okay? Oh, he's gonna... Oh, Derek. Everybody stay back. Stay back. He's gonna pull it out. We're going with him. We're going. He's pulling it out so we can get in, okay? We're going with Daddy. We're going with him. You're okay? It's okay. We're good. We're gonna get in there, okay? Do you want to ride in the truck? Okay, that's what's happening. Gosh, it's okay. Alright, you guys are a little tight, but you fit better than the other.
Old truck.
Okay.
There's like 4 doors on this one.
Yeah, it's easier to get you in there. That's good. Ready?
Yeah.
The kids have been asking to ride in the truck since we got it. It's been a while actually. It's just been sitting in the garage.
Just film back there.
Film back there? Why, you don't want to be on camera?
I do.
Fancy radio. I don't even have that.
Yeah. We just have that.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Oh gosh.
Yeah!
Yeah? Ooh, yummy.
Mix them up at all. Very good.
Oh, they mixed this one too much. Alright, we went to Cold Stone. We met our friends there. And now we're going to a park so we can eat them in peace because there were so many people in there. The kids have been dying to do something fun. They want to go to the castle park, which I don't like that park because kids get
lay
lost.
those down in the back?
But anyway.
Yeah.
In the back.
So we're taking them somewhere fun. We're not really ready for it, but it'll be fun for them. Alright, let's go guys. It's so pretty here. I know we have filmed here before. I think we just walked around. Who were we with? Aaron and Nathan. It was the eclipse. They came for the eclipse and we came to walk around. It was. Not all the way, but yeah.
Oh, giant turnbuckles.
Oh, Aria's the only one with shoes on. Go play over there, Aria. You might have to take off. No running. It says no running down there. Okay. Oh, we brought Tia Carmen here and Matt. Remember? Oh, you weren't with us. Go.
Follow me. Oh, this is our camp. Come on. You gotta watch it.
Wow. Oh my goodness, she is soaked. Careful. Careful, chica.
You know, campers can get wet.
Sure, just a little bit, okay? Like Aria's, it's just a little bit. Oh!
I feel
Right up my back.
Whoa, you okay? Be careful. No running, Vera, no running, okay?
Keep forgetting.
You got a bloody nose.
What did Casey hit her with?
His head.
Oh.
For running around.
It feels good now.
Yeah?
That I'm wet.
Oh yeah.
I'm not
hot.
Double dog.
Are you so wet you're trying to dry out? Yeah?
Good.
Cameron is soaked. Aria, she's soaked too. Everybody is except for Mommy.
I'm soaked.
Hey, buddy. Come give me a high five.
All right, they're all soaking wet and ready to rest. We have been out and about for a very long time, just going to Home Depot and getting some things to fix our front door.
Stay in the sun.
Yep, stay in the sun as much as you can before getting in the van. Do you guys want some water?
I don't know.
You don't? I do.
This is filtered water.
We want them to dry off.
There's an edge. Jump.
Go, Casey. Jump. Jump. Yeah. Go, 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 go. There's another jump. There's another jump. Yeah. Go back and forth, back and forth. Okay, so we're home now and Cameron is fixing up the seals in here before we even get a new storm door. If you're wondering what I'm talking about, check out our last video. That one. Derek looks up there. We're just prepping it a little. Oh, that lighting is horrible. A little better.
Can't get better than outside.
What? Well, I'm looking at you from in here, so it's a silhouette. Honey, come here.
Huh.
Do you know what today is?
September 1st, 2019.
Okay. What does today mark? It is my aunt's birthday today, but
Your aunt's birthday?
yeah. But what else happened today 2 years ago?
Did we...
I'm too short and he's too tall,
I
so
have
I don't
no
even
idea.
know.
Did we find out we're coming up here?
We bought the house.
Oh, we
2
bought the
years
house?
ago.
Oh.
Our
Like-
lovely, lovely, lovely old house. Yay.
What do you think of that part?
Alright, so Cameron has been prepping this area. Sorry, I don't want to get our address. He's been prepping all of this trim, which used to be brown. He had to fix a few things, and so he just painted, and we're going to replace that storm door that broke. So
I've got to do a new.
we're gonna need a new one
seal
of
to
these.
go on here. That's why I didn't fill all those holes.
yeah, so
And I've got. We're gonna be getting a new storm door.
yep. But anyway, yeah, it's been 2 years. Last year, when we were here 1 year, I didn't even think to like talk about it, but we've been here 2 years. Let's go. We are actually going to our friend's house for dinner. They invited us, and we're excited because we love their food, and we're bringing dessert. Oh my goodness.
Oh my
Look at what we're seeing here, bud. Honey, Derek is putting on Casey's seatbelt. What a good helper. I gotta show you what I made. Some magic cookie bars. Oh, they're not. Cameron said, you gotta put chocolate on top of some. I didn't want to do the whole thing like that, but anyway, it's so delicious. I have not turned my oven on in such a long time because it's so hot. Because it's such an old oven, it heats up our house a lot. And so, anyway, I did today. We had the AC on, so it's fine. And I made Jell-O. Oh my goodness, it's heavy. Oh, I almost dropped that thing. Okay. We always film that we're coming to see you, so I gotta film him. Take that in. We did water balloons at our house yesterday, and so now we're doing some here. Look at all those balloons in there. Wow.
Derek, get some balloons, bud.
And then you're not going down the elk hunting then, huh?
No, I didn't even get a demo.
Okay.
Because I had you guys that looked, they were like, hey, you want some milk me if I get it?
They don't. I'm not too worried about it. Hey, come on. You don't have a water balloon?
I popped mine.
You popped yours? Casey still has one.
I popped mine, look.
Casey's right there.
And look at my other hand.
Oh, you just switched it. You have one too? Cheese. Do you have your balloon? What is, oh, dinosaurs.
I'm gonna walk over. Don't look at me.
Okay. Oh, where'd you get that one?
Watch me walk. Water's on.
I don't know.
Oh, you're a puppy.
Hey, their playset is so fun, huh?
Trying to stop.
Oh, he's got a little snow.
You guys might want to wear your sandals. Do you want us to bring in to you?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you eating, bud? Do you know what you're eating? It's smoked salmon. Is it good? It's good, huh? I had one. It's delicious. So yummy. Did you try one, honey? You gotta try one. Look at how cute those kids are over there. And we're having these yummy burgers. Check that out. Oh, it's not even focused. There we go.